Okay guys, so I got my first package in the mail, and this is for the this is for the E90. So I'm pretty sure I already know what it is. It's a big box, so it's got to be the fender. Supposedly it was gonna arrive the 31st, and today is the, I don't even know what today is, but it's not the 31st. So we got this. That's for the front fender, the plastics underneath. I don't think I need it. I have the other one, so I'll probably use the other one unless the other one's broken. I haven't checked it out, but that's that. And this is the fender. So let me open that thing. So here it is, guys, the brand new fender. Put this away. I don't want this thing to bend. That's it, guys. It's getting there little by little. This is the first part to arrive, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I've been sanding the car down. You see me. I was gonna paint it. I still don't know if I should paint it. Let me know what you guys think. Should I wrap the whole car? Should I paint it? If I do paint it, I'm just gonna paint the sections that need to be painted. I'm gonna try the rear quarter panel to paint it with some of these. You've seen me use this type of paint, rattle cans, before. This is cheap. It's like 10 bucks per can. So I couldn't find the exact same code for the BMW. I couldn't find the exact same code for the BMW, but I found the one that matches the most. This is General Motor colors, so it's like for Chevrolet and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try this out. It's not gonna be perfect because, like I said, I'm planning of wrapping it. There's two colors I have in mind. I'll let you guys know later on. Basically, I don't want to leave the stuff. I mean, the paint. I mean, the doors are okay because the wrap will stick on the smooth surface of the paint. But I'm still gonna, if this works out, I'm gonna spray can the whole the hood. As you can see, I'm fixing the hood. I'm gonna spray can the bumper, the door, just to have a somewhat same color. It's gonna be off a bit, I'm pretty sure, but and clear it and let it dry so the wrap could have a nice smooth surface to adhere to. But and once I remove the wrap, because I do plan on keeping the car, like I said, my wife does like it, so when I remove the vinyl wrap, I have something matching underneath. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use on the rear quarter panel. I'm using primer also. You see me, that black primer. This is the primer I'm using. Just to cover all those little small grooves that the sandpaper leaves on the bondo, and then this. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna look pretty good. I've done fenders before. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my other videos, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I'm using this type of stuff. I've done it before, so I have no doubt that I can leave that rear quarter panel looking somewhat decent. So I also want to take this moment to let you know I'm getting close to the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Remember, on my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, I gave out one of those spray guns that I use, a Husky spray gun that I had a package of 2, so I still have the other one. I'm gonna throw in there some decals and maybe a t-shirt. I don't know. So yeah guys, subscribe to my channel, let me know what you guys think. There we go guys. I still need to work somewhere around here, sand it down a little bit more, but As you can see, the spray can, it's almost a perfect match, guys. I just sprayed it right here, so I just couldn't wait. I just wanted to try it out, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a perfect match, guys. Not a perfect match, but you'll notice, that I messed around that quarter panel. But so far it's looking good, guys. Let me know what you guys think so far. I try to work this area really good with the sander to give it that look, that original look, because all these was messed up. I don't know if you guys could see it. No, you can't, because it's black, but check it out. Let me close the door. Let me remove that. Let me close the door. Barely see the door popping out in some spots, but I'm okay with that. I don't know where this is higher, but I'm okay with that, guys. So I'm gonna start messing around. I'm gonna continue messing around with this right here, because I can still feel this. There's a hole right here. I don't know if you can see it there. I'm still gonna mess with this line also, because it's lower right here. So I'm gonna raise that up a little bit more, and probably add another thin layer of Bondo right here. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I applied more Bondo right there. That's where it needed. I'm messing around with the spray can all over, but I don't care, man. I'll just resand it. What do you guys think? Right here, just really, I think, one pass and just a little mist. It kind of looks the same color. Forget about all these spots. I mean, it's not painted, guys. It's just, like I said, just messing around with the spray can. But that looks kind of similar, pretty the same. We'll see. Okay, guys, as you can see, I removed that side of the fender. Nothing wrong on this side, but I need to get this removed because the radiator, switch on this side, the radiator is broken. So I think it's gonna be easier if I remove the whole thing. This is the only part that's bad right here, but this is pretty much straight, so nothing wrong with that. But this, so I really don't care about this. I'll probably hammer this thing down. That shouldn't be a problem. But the radiator is, so I'm gonna have to remove all this stuff, because this radiator support, this cross member right here, it's bolted in the middle of the chassis and from the frame, and this, the bumper reinforcement. So I'm gonna remove that. Okay, guys, it's not coming out because it's got a rivet right, that one. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go, that rivet right in the middle. So I'm gonna pop that one out. Okay, guys, so I almost have it. Let's see if anything else is in the way. So check this out. So this is where it's leaking, somewhere around here. so it's gotta be replaced. That's as far as I know. I really don't know what else is broken. I'm gonna remove this and order the radiator, because like I said, I didn't see this. So yeah guys, it's getting there little by little. Hopefully nothing else turns bad on the car. Okay guys, so this is where I'm at on the rear quarter panel. It's looking a lot better. That black stuff is primer that I still need to sand down a bit, but overall the rest is kinda, I still gotta mold this thing a little bit better because it's kinda crooked in some spots, but overall, man, it's getting there. So I'm gonna sand this down. I'm not gonna record the sanding because you've seen me sand this spot already, so let me get back to sanding. Okay, we're back once again with the E90. As you can see, I had to sand the whole thing down and rebondle it. I didn't like this line wasn't coming straight, so I'm trying out the tape. Hopefully it comes out a lot better, a lot straighter. So this pinkish stuff on the top is not Bondo, it's glaze. So I did apply a little bit of Bondo though, because I sanded all the way down. But this pink stuff, I don't know if you can see the difference between the Bondo and this other stuff. This is just glaze. So hopefully that makes that line look a little bit better. We'll see. So if you follow this line, see, it's looking pretty good. So, but it changes once I start spraying some paint. Then I'll start noticing all the imperfections. That's not a problem. If I have to, I'll resand it again and start all over. This is where I'm at right here. I'm waiting for the radiator, so can't really do nothing until I have the radiator with this, with the front. So as soon as I have the radiator, I install it back on. What is it, the cross member that's right there, the radiator support, then the bumper reinforcement, and then both fenders. I don't know about the hood, guys. I'm kind of lagging it on it. I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. Okay guys, so now we have another package for Mr. E90.